Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro to 2011 Mazda 3, stock number 7054. It's ran from the 4th 2009 to the 10th 2013. It's an L5 SB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L5 SB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory Mazda tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory Mazda tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory Mazda tyre. Right rear door 3 dents. Right front door 4 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory Mazda tyre. Right front door cover, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,